Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this thing. You know what is this? This is actually AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro is written with MagSafe charging. It's written here with MagSafe charging, and here is all the dates, weights, when it's all done. Okay, let's start unboxing. We don't need to read that. Let's start unboxing. I am also very excited. I don't know what is in this. Okay. First, we should open it. This is an AirPods Pro. Now this is the AirPods Pro, as you can see. Now let's open it. Okay, where shall this open? Just like this. It opens. Here nothing is there. Oh, Apple California. Here you can see that there is something. You got this, that is written here. You get this. Okay. Let's start seeing our AirPods Pro. Okay, let's keep this in aside. Now here is the AirPods Pro. Let's see. This is the AirPods Pro. You can see it just like this. It is in this. So we can open this like this, and we will keep this aside. Look here, AirPods Pro. Final for me. This is AirPods Pro. You can see, as you can see, AirPods Pro. Also nice smell is coming. AirPods Pro. Now you can put it in your ear and just listen to your phone's music. First you have to do settings, then you have to listen to music. I don't know how to do the settings, but you do. Let's see, down is also charger. Look, here you get the charger. Like this. AirPods Pro charger. Let's see the wires. This is the wire. Okay. Now this is the wire. You can see, as you can see, down there. Now this is the earpiece, as you can see. For extra sizes, this is big size, this is small size, as you can see. This is the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe.